So while I've got some time, I figured this would be a perfect opportunity to do a walkover of my Bronco and show you all what I've got done to it. I have not shown that to the channel yet, and some people have been asking me, show off your Bronco. So let's show off my Bronco. All right, right off the bat, exterior wise, I think the most noticeable thing would be these, my bash guards, which they actually saved my butt a couple times today. These trails are so tight that these came in very handy. So big shout out to Green Devil Garage because he helped me CNC these, and then in that video you saw me make these. I bent these and welded them up. But so far I think I hit some stuff twice today and they saved my butt. As you can see here, 37-inch Kenda cleavers, mud terrain with Ultra Motorsports 17x9s, and then my rock sliders that I fabbed up and built myself also saved me today. Not only this, but on the other side I literally was teeter-tottering on that the right side rock slider there, so that was awesome. Got my Midland antenna, some ditch lights, nothing special there, but the big thing would be these suspensions. So as you can see, King 2.5x12s with Resis, Desolate Motorsports 05 plus 1 ton solid axle swap, hydro assist steering with PSC pump. Also this front bumper I custom fabbed myself as well, just, you know, cut and bent and all that kind of good stuff, with a 13,000 pound winch. Nothing special there, Amazon special. And yeah, trimmed, made it as clean as I can. But that's basically the outside. Damage, this is from previous trails, previous trip. Today's damage is this here. That hurts, that sucks. It's not only bashed, but it's also pressed in, so that kind of, yeah, no real repair there. But I always knew I was gonna have to extend this bumper around the side, so that kind of tells me it's time to do that. Nothing special back here, just a, you know, Sterling 10.5 with an electric Ford locker up front in the Dana 60. I have a lunchbox style locker, Spartan locker on that. I have 488 gears, and I'm very happy with the 37s, 488s, locked front and rear. Very, very cool. So on the inside, this is kind of where it gets a little clean, right? So I've got Protofab from Dustin, roll cage there. You saw that video. Nice touchscreen with Apple Play. This is my controls here, locker, fit electric fan for the trans cooler, and some off-road lights. Something cool that I haven't shown you guys yet is this bodega cooler. So I custom made a frame out of metal for it to bolt down in the original holes that the center console was in. So no new holes. I've got some storage here. It's just a little 50 cal, and then I have a magnetic cup holder with a fire extinguisher. But in here is my cooler where I keep food and drinks, and that keeps them ice cold all day long while riding on the trail there. So that's awesome. Talked about my Midland radio, GMRS. Love this thing, beautiful. NRG steering wheel, RAM mount for my phone. It just magnetic sucks right there, awesome. And then not much else. So all the tools and stuff are tucked back there. But that's the inside. But that is my baby. I've built her, I don't know, over the past 3 years. Done a lot to it. Unfortunately, I built it the first time and wasn't what I was hoping for, so I had to rebuild it a second time. Now, after today, trail riding with the new gears, the new lockers, the suspension is rocking awesome. Everything, it's doing everything that I want it to do, and then some. I'm blown away by how it's performing. So nothing that I'm scared to tackle anymore. Now, obviously, my rear approach is lacking, but we can fix that, not a big deal. This is my side exhaust here. You saw that in the video where I fabbed that up. Yeah, here's where I hit real hard and was lifting the whole truck up on just the rock slider here. So these saved my butt today. Otherwise, it would have ended up like Sam's truck because it was the same rock, same spot. He hit the exact same way. He just didn't have frame sliders. But that's my Bronco. It's a 1993 with a 302, nothing special, E4OD, and I love her. She's my baby. So thanks for checking her out. All right, guys.
All right, start turning driver as you come up. All right, go slow, slow, buddy, slow, slow. Damn. There we go. Once you straighten out a little bit, yeah, there you go. All right, start to turn passenger. There you go. Yep, doing good. Creep on down, creep on down. Dropping, there you go. Good job, Jesse. Keep creeping on down. Your driver tire's coming up to the edge of the rock. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Ready for a drop off.
Drop. Drop. Fender. Fender. You're all right though.
You just put a groove in the rock. You're good.
It'll buff. You wanted to comp cut the rear anyways.
Don't worry, they'll buff out, man.
Hitting your axle on the driver's side. Your rear axle is hitting the